Passing the Summerlin Trails in the western suburbs of Las Vegas, you will shortly arrive at the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, which lies just outside the city. The area is operated by the Bureau of Land Management and technically not a national park. One huge benefit is the fact that drones are still allowed to fly in and around the park. I have seen a few videos about taking photos from your drone, but found it rather tedious to get a good composition while piloting. There's also the practical effect that you are dealing with a limited airtime. My simple-minded approach is to just capture a still photo from the video playback, then edit as desired. This offers an abundant amount of compositions to view from the comfort of your own home. Another thing I like to do when flying my drone is to continue recording video on return to home. This will always give you a smooth flight and descent and another chance to find some hidden gem of a composition. The video was captured in 4K resolution using the Mavic Air, photo processing and sky enhancements using Luminar 4, and more about this next time. For now, there is a link in the description for Luminar 4.3 with a discount code.